In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see calories burned in Strava. Calories on Strava are an estimate of your energy expenditure during a workout. They're calculated from the activity type, duration, intensity, elevation, and, crucially, your body weight. If you record with a heart rate monitor or power meter, those sensors make the numbers far more precise. Let's walk through how to view your calories and make them as accurate as possible. First, open Strava on the web or in the mobile app and sign in. Make sure you've already recorded or uploaded an activity. Runs, rides, hikes, and more all support calorie estimates. If you're new to Strava, even a short test activity from your phone's GPS will work for this demonstration. Next, open any activity from your feed or training log. On desktop, look to the left-hand panel in the activity view to find your total calories. On mobile, scroll through the activity details and, if needed, tap the Analysis tab to see a breakdown that includes calories. If you recorded heart rate or power, you'll notice the calculation reflects that richer data. To improve accuracy, confirm your current weight is saved in your profile. Go to your profile, choose Edit, and enter your up-to-date weight, then Save. Strava uses this value directly in its calorie formula, so keeping it current matters. You can choose your preferred units, just make sure the number is realistic for you today, not last season. If you're a cyclist, take a moment to set your bike's weight in your gear settings. Open your profile, go to gear, then add or edit your bike and enter its weight. Include typical accessories you always ride with, like pedals or bottle cages, for a more representative number. While the bike's weight doesn't change calories as dramatically as body weight or power data, it helps refine effort calculations, especially on climbs. For the most precise data-driven calorie totals, record with a heart rate monitor or power meter. Pair your heart rate strap or watch in the Strava app under Settings and Sensors, or connect your power meter through your head unit and sync the activity to Strava. Wear your heart rate strap snugly and dampen the electrodes for a good signal, and calibrate your power meter following the manufacturer's guidance. When Strava has trustworthy heart rate or direct power data, it can calculate calories from your actual effort rather than estimating from speed alone. That's all you need. Open the activity to see your calories, keep your profile and gear details current, and when possible, record with sensors for the most accurate results.